Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seundigital. If you are new here, I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate your time. Watching this video, it's amazing. Okay, and if you are part of the family before, you've subscribed, you've turned on the notification bell, I just want to say a round of applause for you. So thank you so much for clicking on the video again to watch this video again. So if you are yet subscribed on this channel, I want to encourage you to do so, because on this channel I provide information on how to make money online, tools that can help you to make money online, and how you can start your online business, and how you can trade cryptocurrency. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can trade with a bot called ROYALQ. How you can use ROYALQ to make at least 4%, 3% every day. So I'm going to be showing you that. Okay, previously I did a video on what the ROYALQ, what you can do on ROYALQ, and you can make money. What the buttons are for. I did an explanation video on that, but today I'm going to be showing you how you can trade on the app. So I don't want you to skip anything from this video, because if you do, you may lose. You may miss something that is very important. All right, so the next thing you're going to be seeing now is my screen, this phone screen. So I'm going to be walking you through it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you my phone screen where you can see how the thing works. All right, so now I'm going to be showing you my screen, full screen. So if you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to go to the board called ROYALQ. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to show you how to trade. You can see I'm having some trades here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 of them. So what I want to do now is I want to click on quantitative. All right, quantitative. Okay, so I'm clicking on quantitative, just that. Okay, so now I'm going to pick a coin. It's very important. I'm going to pick a coin now. I'm going to pick a coin. So sometimes I like to buy when it is even red. When it is red, it means I buy the recovery. Understand? I buy the recovery. It means those red, because there's nothing red that will not become green. So it can be red for life. So I like to buy when it's deep, when the market is deep, when it is in recovery mode. So I'm gonna buy this tea fuel. I'm gonna buy this tea fuel. I'm gonna click on it. Then now I will explain that. Once you click on it, what you want to do is you want to click on trade setting. Trade setting. So let me explain this very quick. All right. Let me bring out my brush to explain it. Okay. So the first thing you can see here is very important. It says first buy in amount. First buy in amount. We have 7 USDT equivalent to 10 USDT equivalent to $10. All right. So you can as well change it to $100, $1,000, depending on your capacity, what you can do. All right. And you can as well trade with that $10. Now this one that says open position doubled, just leave it the way it is. Then let's go on to the next one that says margin call limit. Margin call limit. Let me explain this. This margin call limit simply means how many times do I want the trade to trade? Do I want the bot to trade for me? How many times do I want the bot to trade for me? So I'm gonna click. The default is 7. So I can change it to 3 times, 2 times, 1 time, depending on the coin. Sometimes I do 1 time, sometimes I do 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's just margin call. How many times do you want the bot to trade for you? Okay, the next one you can see down here says take profit. All position take profit ratio. It means per trade, how many percent would I want from the trade? Now, I don't want to be too greedy, so I do 1.1, 1.3. Sometimes I do 5, sometimes I do 3, depending on the market. So I'm going to be showing you what do I mean by depending on the market. Okay, so but minimum of 1.3, 1.1. All right. So the next thing is all position take profit callback. That means this one I usually put it to 0.1 so that it can quickly take position call back, take position and position itself to trade again. You understand? So that it won't take too long. So I make it 0.1. Okay. The next one say margin configuration. This is where you're going to do the configuration of your 7 times. What you expect in the first time, where because you need to tell the bot when it gets to this point buy, when it gets to 1.3 sell for me, when you get to this point buy, when you get 1.3 sell for me. Okay, this one just leave it the way it is, and this one leave it the way it is, and this one leave it the way it is. Okay, very important, very, very important. So let's go. I'm going to clear this off now. So if I'm going to do $10, then I want to trade. I'm going to trade. Let's say I want to trade for 3 times. So I'm going to change this to 3. Okay, 3 times. All right, I want to trade for 3 times. Then I want my percent to be just 1.3 or 1.1 even. I'm going to change this one to this setting I'm doing. You can always use it like this. Okay, so I want to click on the configuration, margin configuration. I'm going to click that. It means this first thing you need to understand here is change all of this time to 1. Let me explain that. It means whenever you are buying at this point, buy just 1 for me, and when it gets to 1.1 profit, which I pick, sell for me, and buy when it gets to this point, buy 1 for me, 1.1% profit, sell for me. When it gets to this point, buy 1 for me, 1.1% profit, sell for me. Okay, let me clear that off and put 1% here. All right, so I'm going to put 1 here, then I'm going to put another 1 here. Okay, so here I'm going to put another 1 here. Okay, just use settings the way it is here. Now, let me explain something real quick. If, let's assume you are buying at this point, I'm going to draw this now, and this is your coin. Why I'm buying minus? I just want to explain why I'm buying the minus. So, and you have, let me use a ball for example. You have a ball, you throw a ball up, and the ball is going this way. The ball get here. This is my ball. The ball gets here, all right? And I bought, I'm buying at this point minus 10. Believe me, the ball you threw up is coming down. So if the ball is coming down, so we have minus 9, minus 8, okay, minus 7. So if the ball is coming down and the ball come down from minus 10 to 7, you will have made enough profit. Because the ball cannot stay on air, it's not going to stay there. The ball cannot stay there forever. So the ball is coming down, and as the ball is coming down, you are making your profit. It's very important. You are making your profit as the ball is coming down. All right, so that's just the buying the recovery. Buying the recovery. The recovery. All right, you are buying the recovery. Don't forget the ball. We threw the ball up, then we bought in minus 10, and the ball is coming down 8, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 4, all of that. So you are making profit. All right, so let me do that. You understand? Now, let me do that again so that you can understand what I'm trying to push here. You are buying at minus 10. Recovery. R. Your minus 10 is not going to stay there forever. It's going to come down to minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 till it gets to plus. Okay, and as long as this thing is coming down, you will make profit. because you bought when it was minus 10. That's recovery. Yeah. That's why I pick this coin that is minus 4. Okay, and that's recovery. But if you want to buy the other side, which is the gains, those ones that are gaining, the gainers, you want to buy gainers. So let's say this is the drush. You are buying at plus 0.02 because as it is going up, the market is doing well. Okay, you're buying the gainer, the G gainers. Okay, the market is doing well, and this thing is going up. Each year, let's say by the time it gets here, it's plus 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because you bought at this point, by the time it gets here, you will have made profit. Okay, so that's just the idea. You buy minus 10, you always make profit. This minus, if you are buying the minus, you don't really need to do so much because every minus will come down. But if you are buying the plus, you have to check your candlestick. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Right, so let's move on. So don't forget, you have to change all of this into 1, then leave this one the way they are. Okay, that means when you get to 3.5, buy for me. Okay, when you get to 0.4, buy for me, buy 1. Get to 4, buy for me, buy 1. Get to 3.5, buy for me, buy 1. And sometimes when you get to this 4, let's say you bought 1, and you have not really made the profit, like you've not really made the profit. So sometimes you have to leave it. It will keep buying until you get to this place and buy. By the time you buy here, to give you the profit according to what you said you want. 1.2, 1.3, 1.3, 1.3. Now imagine you buy 1.3 the first time, 1.3, second time 1.3. The time you calculate everything, this is 9, this is 3.9 a day. If you're making 3.9 a day, it's not too bad. Okay, so that's for that. So now the next thing you want to do is click on confirm. I just explained to let you know that. Then you want to click another one which is confirm here. It's very simple because we bought minus. That's why I'm doing it this way. Okay. So indirectly we've placed our order. If you check it here, we are using $10. We are doing 3 times call. This is the percentage we want. This is the margin call drop. This is the buying call. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, you want to click on start. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Click start, confirm, you wait. System working now. Okay, just got a message that I bought this and order. Let's check it out. See that here? Few, bought few. So that's for that trading. But if you are going to trade the green, let's go back to if I refresh my USDT, see, this is where you're going to see your balance whenever you're trading. You're going to be seeing your balance here. See the balance I have now? I have 3.4 and I took 10. If I refresh with this little button, you see how much I'm having left. So let's do that. So watch. I have 14 left. So if I do 10 out of this 14, how much will I have? So let's do 10. Let's do 10 more. So let's buy plus let's buy this cheap. It's plus is fluctuating, minus plus minus plus. I think you want to do plus. So before you buy this one, because it's in plus already, you want to check the candle. Okay, so you have to go to your Binance sheet. Let's check sheet. So I'm going to my banners. Market, click on markets, then search for 𝐃𝐈, right? 𝐃𝐈 to USD. All right. So this is what I want to check out. I want to check my 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So let me click more. Check my 1 minute. 1 minute is red. That's what you're looking for. Oh, so sorry about it. 1 minute is red. What you're looking for is the last option. Okay. So 1 minute is in red. Let's check my 3 minutes. Red. My 5 minutes in red. My 30 minutes is in green. Red is not stable. So for me, I'm not going to buy this coin because if I want to buy this coin, my 1 minute to be green, my 3 minutes need to be green, my 5 minutes need to be green, my 15, 30 minutes, 15 minutes to be green. Everything like that needs to be green. That shows that this coin is going to do well. But it's only the 30 minutes that is green. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour. Red. I'm not going to buy this coin. So let's go back to ROYALQ. So this is SLP. It's too high. I'm not buy that. So let's try XLM. XLM. Okay. See my 1 minute, my 15 minute green, my 3 minutes on red, 3 minutes on red, 5 minutes on red, is on green, little small green, 30 minutes on green, 1 minute red, 1 hour on green. So with these, I can buy this one. I can buy this one because green is more. So that shows within this period of 1 minute to 1 hour, it's still gonna do well. So let's go ahead and get it. Okay, so that's what you want to look out for. So I'm gonna click on it. That, so I will do one, just one call. One, then profit. I will leave the profit to 1.3. Then change this one to 1. Don't forget. Then here, click on this one, put to 1. Confirm, confirm. That's all. So with this, I've placed the order. You can see the message. New buy. New buy. Okay. So that will be all for this video on I just showed you how to place trade on this board, on this ROYALQ board. Thank you for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe, you know what, if you see value in this video, you want to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the like button if you like this kind of video. If you get value from this video, please click on the like button, and also turn off the notification bell when you click on the subscribe button so that you know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. Don't forget to share this video among your friends, and if you're here to get this app, you can see my number on the screen. Just do what? Contact me, and you know, get the app, get the bot. It's called bot also, and get the bot. Contact me on my number, WhatsApp, and I'm going to share my link with you. And if you really want to use the link to download this bot, to pay for this bot, just use the link in the description box of this video. And if you don't know how to activate the account, just contact me. I'll be ready to assist you. All right, guys. So till I come your way again, my name is Seundigital. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to help the family, to join the family, to know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. And I will say bye for now.